How to use the Galanz ExpressWave. Let's reheat with Sensor Reheat. Choose a Sensor Reheat preset from the cooking label inside the oven door. Then press Sensor Reheat. Turn the dial to select a program. Then press to confirm. Let's cook with Sensor Cook. Choose a Sensor Cook preset from the cooking label inside the oven door. Then press Sensor Cook. Turn the dial to select a program. Then press to confirm. Let's reheat a dinner plate. Place dinner plate into the microwave oven. Turn the dial to select small or large dinner plate. Then press to confirm. Let's defrost. Press defrost twice to defrost by weight selection. Turn the dial to select a defrosting food type. Check the cooking label on the inside of the microwave for your food type. Turn the dial to select weight in ounces. Then press to confirm and start the defrost program. Let's express cook. Place the food in the microwave. Turn the dial to your desired cooking time, then press to confirm. It's super easy and super fast. Let's reheat a beverage. Press the beverage button. Turn the dial to your desired beverage portion in cups, then press to confirm. Let's make popcorn. Place popcorn in the microwave. Press the popcorn button. The default time is 2 minutes. However, you may turn the dial to change the cooking time as desired. Then press to confirm. Let's make a baked potato. Place the potato in the microwave. Press the potato button. Turn the dial to your desired potato weight in ounces. Then press to confirm. Let's reheat soup. Place the soup in the microwave. Press the soup button. Turn the dial to your desired soup portion in cups, then press to confirm. Let's microwave with power level settings. To reheat manually, press the power level button. Then turn the dial to select a power level and press to confirm. Then select a cooking time, turn the dial, then press to confirm. Let's set the clock. Press and hold the clock timer button. The display will show HR12 for 12-hour clock. To change to 24-hour time, press the clock timer button again. Turn the dial to select the correct minutes, then press to confirm. Now the clock is set. Enjoy!